good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to, there's no segment for today. But yeah, this is the usual unleashing of some package because we have here this one. And I'm so excited for this because I know what is this. And yeah, this, let's say, a nostalgic part for me because, yeah, let's open this package first and let's see what it is. And with my trusted but still rusted cutter, let's go. Let's open or let's unleash. Let's go. Okay, so we have here your Nintendo Switch. Yep, this is a Nintendo Switch and this is the OLED model. I've ordered this from the Game Extreme. That's it, yeah, the Game Extreme on Shopee. Is that sponsored video? I bought this on my own pocket, but yeah, this is from the Game Extreme on Shopee, and I bought this during having those vouchers and some Shopee coins. And yeah, I got this for a low interest because as we know that Nintendo Switch goes from the price from 15,000 until 20,000, some of it. But yeah, we have here your Switch OLED Switch, Nintendo Switch OLED model, which is it has an OLED screen, as I know. It is more advanced than the Switch V2 and the Switch original. Yeah, the Nintendo Switch OG, which is the first one that they've released, and this is a more bigger in size, bigger in screen display. Yeah, because it has more lesser size of the bezels on the side of the screen. Okay, but yeah, I think all of the games that was compatible for Switch, Nintendo Switch is still playable on this console. Yes, it's a console, but also it can be a handheld. So I will not open yet this one because it will have its own unboxing moment. Yeah, it's an unboxing moment next time. And yeah, so let's explore first the box. Yeah, so as you can see here, the box, it has the Switch, Nintendo Switch OLED unit. Yeah, that's it. It has the Joy-Con, the two Joy-Cons, the blue and the red one. I like the white one because it's more on, let's say, aesthetic part. But yeah, it's not available anymore. But still, it's on the same, it's still playable. Still the same functions. You can have it online and offline. So, it's okay. There's no problem. And yeah, before we go to the box, I will tell you about how I purchased this on Shopee and why I decided to get this one. I know Switch was produced, I think that's on yeah, I forgot when, but yeah, it was produced, I think 5 years already, or 3, I don't know, more than 5 years maybe. I'm not so expert on that, but yeah, it's not so old. But as we know, there's now the PS5 or the PlayStation 5. But yeah, the budget for that is a little bit not so sure for getting the PS5. I think maybe that will be next year or next year. It depends, okay? Because I know that as the time goes on, those consoles will go lesser and lesser on prices. So I will just wait, just like this Nintendo Switch, because the first time that I saw a Nintendo Switch, I really like to get it, but yeah, maybe next time because the price is a little bit high. I think that the first one that I saw, the original one, is from, the price is ranging from 15,000 to 18,000 pesos. So yeah, a little bit higher for being a console and also to be handheld. But yeah, and then there, if you want to play Nintendo, you just the thing is, you're ready to play their very expensive games. Yeah, Nintendo Switch games are very expensive, but still, I've ordered one of it, the World War Z, because I like that kind of game. Then I think the other one is the Just Dance, because it's, yeah, I also like dancing. And yeah, it's form of an exercise also. That's why I also bought this one, because I can play some physical games, or yeah, physical fitness games on the actual world, not just on the screen. And also for the price, because the price is already dropped from 16,000, yeah, if I'm correct, 16,000 to 14,000 pesos. And then I have some vouchers for that. And they also offer that S-Pay later for 6 months, that there's no interest. So the price that you get with those discounts will only be the price that you will pay for 6 months. So that's a good deal already. You'll just pay them by month, but no interest at all. So there's no additional payments for that. So it's very, very nice and a very good deal for those people who wants a Switch or a Nintendo Switch. So yeah, now let's go back to the box. That's why I bought this. Yeah, now let's go back to the box. So this is the box, the front part. Then the side part, you will see all the information on the Nintendo Switch at the bottom part. Then the upper part, you can see there the name Nintendo. Oops, it's, yep, that's it. That's the Nintendo name. And then at the back of the box, you can see here how you can play your Nintendo Switch, which you can play it on a tabletop mode. Then you will also, so in your tabletop mode, you can get or release the Joy-Cons. And then you have the TV mode. That's what I like on this Switch, because that is the term for having the Nintendo Switch, because you can switch the Nintendo, the console, in TV mode, which you can play on a higher or a bigger screen. And then you can get your Nintendo Switch out of this TV mode, and then you can bring it and become a handheld console, just like a PSP or a PlayStation Portable that I also have, just like also a Game Boy, just like that. Okay, then we also have the handheld mode. That's it. That's what I'm talking about. And then we have also some fitness kind of, physical fitness kind of games here on your Nintendo Switch, just like the Just Dance, the Nintendo Switch Sports, what other things? I think that's it. Okay, the physical fitness kinds of games. Okay, so it's very nice because it's very, very flexible in different games that you want. Still the same, it has some RPG, just like the Zelda, the Legend of Zelda, which is what I will order next time. I also, the Mario Kart, which is, that's the thing that you should really play on the Nintendo Switch, which I will also order next time, because yeah, the price is a little bit so high than the usual games that I know. Yeah, some on the PS4, I think I only bought some just 1,200 to 1,500 pesos. That's how expensive it is. But in Nintendo Switch, you will have a price more than, I think, more than 2,500 to 2,800 to 2,900, and some of them becomes 3,000. It depends on how the game are so popular, or the popularity of the game. It will depend on that. Okay, and also on, yeah, for me, it's for the popularity. That's why it's very high. But there are some perks that you can go to Shopee, which you can buy some second-hand games, because I think some of the owners already finished playing that game on their own Switch. So that's why they sell their games now. So that's what I'm hunting, some of the second-hand, because yeah, it's second-hand, but still it's the same game. It's not brand new, but still it's still the same game. That's what my point for that. Okay, so this is your Nintendo Switch here. Very nice. And this is my third owned console. Yeah, console in a TV mode. I already have a PS4. The first part is I have a PSP. I bought already 2 PSP because my first PSP has been died already. Then I bought the second PSP, which is a second-hand PSP, which is a little more cheaper. I think it's only 4,000 pesos with already the games together and then the memory card. Then I have my PS4, which is, I bought that I think 2017. Then I have an Xbox. I think I still not uploaded the video for that, but yeah, I already have an unboxing for that also. And then I have the Nintendo Switch. Maybe next time, next year, I will also buy the PS5. Maybe next time, okay? And before we end that, Game Extreme, thank you so much, because you also gave me a tempered glass for it. It's a freebie. Thank you so much. for Switch OLED Tempered Glass Screen Protector. Yeah, you really need it because your Switch here is also a handheld. You can carry it with wherever you go. And I also ordered a let's say a bag for the Nintendo Switch, which you can bring your Nintendo Switch wherever you want, which it will be safety. And it is, spoiler, it is a Mario theme bag, so that's why I really want it. Okay, so yeah, I will wait for that and I will try to put my Nintendo Switch on that bag. Okay, when I go somewhere else, and yeah, just try to play and go, and then if I back here on our house, I will put my Nintendo again to my TV. Okay, so yeah, again, thank you so much Game Extreme for this freebie, and also for bringing this Nintendo Switch OLED model here in our place. Okay, thank you so much. And yeah, again, it's a sponsor, but yeah, still thank you for that shop. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this kind of videos and content, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification button so that you'll be informed for my next videos. Okay, so that's it. Maybe I will have some live games next time. Yeah, I will try to practice on how I can stream games on my YouTube channel also. So that's it. Thank you so much, guys. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Jake De La Paz signing off. That's it. And I will make a new segment for gaming. Okay, that's it. Thank you, and goodbye.